Recently, in our YouTube community, there is a new evil. Durv. Durv, if you don't know him, he is a clickbaiter. A young clickbaiter. I mean, who doesn't look at thumbnails like his? His face is heavily edited, and it looks like Flat Stanley. There are every single video titles is clickbait. YouTube sent me the wrong play button. My school deleted my channel. Fighting my stalker fan in my house. I punched him. And the stalker fan broke into my house. He had a knife. Now this is scary. This is really scary. Who let this kid start making YouTube videos? One of his most popular series is probably calling blank. Like, calling Donald Trump. He actually answered OMG. And, like, all of them have this little emoji face, like, oh! There's a, like, scared emoji on a Santa Claus answered video. And of course, he's worse than a trend channel. Just when you look at 3 videos, he makes at least a video a day. 3 days. The last 3 videos are in order of upload date. Stalker fan broke into my house. He had a knife. Stalker fan stalked me outside my house. The YouTube cuts it off. Fighting my stalker fan in my house. I punched him. That's horrifying. Like, he's like the pro gamer Jay. Just, if you see blue, you're colorblind. This person. No. Alien. But enough of that. We need to watch one of his videos for ourselves. YouTube sent me the wrong play button. Okay.
What's up guys, my name is Durv and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Now in today's video guys, we have got something that looks kinda special. Ooh.
Oh yeah, you cannot deny at all, no way, that his music in the background, cheery music played on flute. It reminds me of one of those Disney toy channels, like bed. Like, they're silent except for like just that music. But Durv takes it to another level. He takes it to having his voice along with that music.
We'll be opening something that has been sent by YouTube. I'm not actually sure what it is.
Yeah. He doesn't know what it is. It's just, oh, it has YouTube. Oh no, it's not like he already knows. Oh, no way. No. Like, what do you expect? A big box from YouTube?
Now, before we get into this, can we smash 20,000 likes? An absolutely insane goal, but you guys know what we do up in here. Here at the Durv fam, we always go for the highlight goes.
Wow. Hey, Durv fam. Give me 20,000 likes. It doesn't matter if you like the video. Just give me 20,000 likes.
Up in here, and I'll be ecstatic.
Ecstatic? Come on, Durv. I didn't know you knew those types of words. I thought that was too big for you.
Today. Now, already, guys, it does say Durv on it, and someone said, like, this is the 100k plaque when I posted it on my Instagram, which you should definitely go ahead and follow down in the description.
Oh, somebody told me on Instagram that it's the Durv 100,000 subscriber play button. By the way, follow me on Instagram.
But anyway, here we have something, I don't have a clue what's in here, but that is what we're going to be doing today. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Why does this kid have writing on his hand in orange marker? That's a question that needs to be answered. Like, YouTube, please answer. Please answer.
So we've been given a letter from YouTube, and I'm guessing under here is the special stuff, but let's read this letter. So guys, I'm the vicar up in here. I'm going to read this speech out. So you've just done something very few YouTuber creators have accomplished. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to my channel, and that, guys, is all thanks to you. So thank you all so much.
Yeah, thank you everybody for believing all of my fake thumbnails. I mean, it means the absolute world to me. I mean, I love ad revenue.
We know numbers on YouTube can really get big, but we hope you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone, and it means the absolute world to me, guys. Each and every person who was subscribed to your channel was touched by what you did. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained.
They loved, inspired, and were entertained by what you watch. Or you just paid them money. Either way, I can't really confirm that.
So here it is under this really nice shiny stuff. I don't know what this is, but it's like polystyrene or something, but it's really, really cool. Like, let's have some with that 4K quality camera. You guys better like that.
Wow, you seem more interested to the styrofoam than you do the plaque. That's when you get your priorities straight.
Okay, there we go. It's finally focused. So let's do it while it's focused. So 3, 2, 1. What? Where is it? Is it? What? YouTube trolled me.
Whoa! Where did the plaque go? Whoa! Oh, I wonder where it must be.
What have YouTube done? Have they like trolled me or something? I swear they've like sent me the wrong plaque or something. What? Where is it?
Do I really care? No.
What's going on? It says here like everything. Like if you want to have a look at it, there it is. But where's my plaque?
This kid took some acting lessons. Like great acting lessons. Like, whoa. I didn't even know that anyone could act so good.
Have YouTube just decided not to give it me, or was that not clickbaiting enough?
Whoa! Self-awareness! So funny!
Honestly, guys, I'm so confused right now. I'm gonna go upstairs, and I don't know. I'm just gonna go upstairs. It might be there or something.
Why would it be upstairs? Like that's not even believable. Why would it be upstairs? Nobody knows. Ghosts? Or was it your crazy stalker fan?
I don't know. There was another box, so I'm gonna go ahead and check on that, see what it was, and hey,
music
on the wall. There was a little troll there, but oh my god, it is finally here, the 100,000 subscriber plaque.
What? A silver play button? But what? That's a white plaque. In the thumbnail you had diamond. Oh. Did you lie to me, Durv? What? Did you lie to me? No, you couldn't have lied to me. You couldn't have wanted ad revenue. Okay, so in the end, Durv is evil. He wants the ad revenue. That's all he wants. And why? Just why? He's clickbaity. And he doesn't deserve any subscribers. To my knowledge, he could even have subbotted just to skyrocket. But YouTube didn't send him the wrong plaque. He's lying. So technically, the video should be marked under misleading and spam. Or spam. But really, just if Durv strikes me down for this, oh no. Oh no. YouTube gives no power to their content creators, eh? Well, basically, that's going to be it for today. I would like you to check out my friend's video he made on Durv. I would hope for you to check it out, and see you guys next time. Bye.